We are out at our 15th rental property that we are converting into a short-term rental. So I put the stuff in the van and now I'm going to see if I can Tetris it inside. The problem here is that it's not that high to the ceiling, so I want to get it inside this room. And it's only me, so I have no one to help me because we just got a daughter and I was too lazy to ask someone to help me. So we'll see if I can get it into this living room, else I have a backup plan. It happened, it magically succeeded in the task of getting it inside. Usually I'm a very optimistic guy, I'm not pessimistic, but here I was like a little bit doubting that it could, whether I could get it in through the door, but I managed to do it. It's kind of funny, like it looks like huge furniture because like they're so low to the ceiling. Anyways, I'll be back in a moment when I've put it together again. This is how it looks now. I'm not sure if this is the final constellation. Anyway, so now we have a dining table and we have a couch table, and then there's a small table in there. So yeah, we'll see what I'm going to do now, if I'm going to go pick up more furniture or I'm going to do something else. So in our other short-term rental, the guests accidentally took all our Temu towels, all of them. So it was a company who had some employees, and then when we asked the company where are the towels, they said like probably on the heater. They were not on the heater. And then, yeah. But do you know, like, have you tried that? Like, you're staying in a short-term rental, Airbnb, Booking.com, and then accidentally you take all the towels with you home, and you're like, damn it. Why did I do that? Have you ever tried that? Our other Airbnb, we've had like this Easter theme. Unfortunately, Easter is coming to an end in 1 week from today. So we've had like these Easter pillow covers and some Easter eggs and some rabbits and some cat and eggs and dog and eggs. Unfortunately, Easter is ending next week, then it's done, and then we need to come up with a new theme for the summertime before Halloween. So I'm not sure if you have any ideas for themes for our Airbnbs, and then you can write it down below. Then I managed to fill up the car again, this time with some beds and a couch and a table. And then we'll see if I can make it and get it inside the house before it turns completely dark. The night is dark and full of terror, so it's too dark for me to show what I did. Like I can't put the beds together, so we only have this tiny lamp out here. Anyways, so tomorrow I think I'll go find blinds and look at the lamps, what we're going to do for lamps inside the house, so we can turn it into a money making machine. So yeah, so that's the plan. Subscribe to the channel, then there's going to come a video up here with the next phase, the next step of this. There's also a playlist. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.